Hi everyone. We're at a weird angle. I look a little messy. It's fine. We're rolling with it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mallory. If you'd like to become one of my pals, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell. So we have holidays coming up like Mother's Day, my mom's birthday, my birthday, Father's Day, my sister-in-law's birthday. We have then my dad's birthday all in August. Anyways, we're focusing on my mom at the moment. I did get from Sephora from Glam Glow samples. Like it's like a box. You have like they're like tube of their cleanser and then like different tubes of each mask for my mom to try. Originally I was gonna keep that for myself because I was like, I need it. But I'm supposed to be getting a facial tonight, and I say it that way because right now I'm so exhausted. I'm processing a lot. I have a lot in my mind, a lot to think about because we spoke with a realtor last night. When we did that last year, that's how I got my first adult panic attack. It went better this time, but still, it's a lot. So, I don't know if I'm going to have the energy to go get a facial tonight, but if I do, I will, and if not, we will reschedule. So, I have Pendulums. I have two, and then one that, like, technically was supposed to be like a necklace, but I turned it into a pendulum. And that one's in Florida. The other two are here. One is in my bag, which is in the other room, and the other is upstairs. Yes, I like to keep one on hand. And the one that's upstairs on the nightstand, my mom uses it a lot, like out of all the pendulums she's tried thus far. This one has worked the best with and slash for her. So I wanted to get her own, not the same exact one. Maybe she would have liked that, but I wanted to get her something different because I know that clear quartz crystals work best with her. So this is what I got her. I like how on the one end, there's a little clear quartz crystals heart. It has the different stones here for the different chakras, and then the pendulum dowsing part and whatnot down here. So there's a few ways my mom could use this. She could lay her hand flat like so and just, or kind of a little more. So that's a little more like down. She could hold it from the tippy top and just, or she could like wrap it around two fingers, wrap it around one finger to just shorten it, hold it in her hand. You always want to use your dominant hand. So got her that. Then I got something else I was going to gift her, but I might return it. I might keep it for myself. I'm not 100% sure what my plan is at the moment. There's more things coming for her not tomorrow, but I think the next day, and I might break those up as well. Like I'm gonna give her a pendulum for Mother's Day so she can have one that she actually likes. That's her own. I mean, she does have one, but it's in Florida and we're here in New Jersey currently. So like if you want to use a pendulum or you need a pendulum, she's been borrowing one of mine, which is fine, but I kind of want to retrieve it back and keep it for myself because it's originally, I got it for me, but she's just like, I love that, your pendulum over there, where is it? I want to use it. So, it came from this company here, and a little note. So there's an online, like a URL that you can go to download, information on stone meetings, various divination products, and corresponding charts and diagrams. Yeah, so I have two little papers here. The other thing that I got for her, I either might return it or I might keep it for myself. This sounds weird, but like something we could share. Because when I was first looking at this, I was like, this is not what I ordered. This is not what was on Amazon. And I was getting everything mixed up. I look at pendulums all the time, and I'm always like, I need more and more and more and more and more. And so I was getting things confused. And I just went back on Amazon to see, like, well, did what I order actually come in the mail? Because the other day I ordered a pendulum. It was rose quartz. It's supposed to be like the one I just showed you, but it didn't have a heart at the end. It had like something else, and I was like, A, I didn't order this, and B, I don't know why, but I'm having an aversion to it, so I returned it. Speaking of returning things, there's something else I have to return. I don't know where my mom put it. So this is interesting. You have the this here. My complaint is that it feels very cheaply made, like it's not made well. You open this up, or not. Oh, here you go. You open this up. Like, it just doesn't feel like high quality. And then these two pieces, I guess, were like, what's the technical term? I want to say soldered together. I don't know if that's the right, welded. But I don't know. It doesn't look like 100% perfect. I mean, does it have to be? Maybe not. But it just, I think if I was gonna keep this, if you got this like this in this condition and you were gonna keep it and use it, I would just say be careful, because it really feels so flimsy, like it could just break off, and you don't want to lose anything. It's empty at the moment, so if you're like meandering about with it, be careful, because you get my favorites, which is amethyst. We have red, I think that's red jasper. I want to say this is amazonite. Don't quote me on it. This one, I believe is a lapis lazuli, or lazuli. This one is like that purpley blue color, and I think that's that idealite. Don't quote me. The only two things I'm 100% sure on the amethyst, and I'm just like 95% sure on the red jasper, and a little less on the amazonite possibility. I was gonna say sodiolite. Nope, that would not be. So nope. I love this peachy. Color. I feel like a name wants to come to my brain, but it isn't. This, I kind of want to say citrine, but not really. Then I kind of want to say onyx, but I'm not, does that even know? Is onyx just black, or can it be different colors? Anyways, you take a stone of your choice, and you just plop her in there, lock and load. And these different stones each represent the different chakras, starting from your root chakra, going to your crown chakra. I think I'm holding the throat chakra, third eye, solar plexus, in between root and solar plexus, heart chakra. So since I'm getting into Reiki, if you're wondering what the heck is that, it's an energy healing. Something like this could come in handy, where I'm like focusing on each chakra at a time. And so I'd put the proper stone in, but I don't know. I mean, I kind of like the crystals by themselves. Part of me is like, do I use this? Do I gift it away to someone? Because I kind of feel like someone else might benefit from this more than me, or do I just return it? I'm going to double check on how much money I spend, because I feel like I'm buying a lot of things and I'm returning a lot of things. Like, that's what I do now. I used to just buy and keep. Now I buy and return. If it's like, if I don't like it, if it's not what I ordered, etc., etc., it's going back. So I do have to ponder this. I'm going to put this aside for my mom. Make her a nice little lovely like Mother's Day thing. Cause that's around the corner, y'all. It's around the corner. And then another little project for me today is to figure out where I'm gonna hang this sucker. If you wanna know more about this, let me know in a comment down below and I'll let you know what it is. But my phone is dying, so with that being said, thank you all so much for being here and for watching. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, feel free to leave those down below. Don't forget to check out the description box and give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And thank you guys so much for being here and for watching. All your love and support, and as always, till next time, keep it quirky.